Ebe, happy birthday. God bless you more on your career, your family, and your relationship with Jesus. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lisa. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nak! God bless you more at mag-aral ka muna mabuti. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa. Huwag mo kong uunahan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Liz, sa ang pasyonista para sa Francisco.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Oh. Yan.
Lisa, happy birthday. 20 years old ka na. Sana lahat ng dreams mo, yun, matupad. And soon, magtatrabaho ka na.
Welcome to the corporate world.
Ayun. Tsaka, ayun, alam namin na marami kang dreams.
Happy birthday.
God bless.
More blessings to
More
come.
blessings to come. Happy birthday!
Hello, little sister. It's your 20th birthday today.
Happy birthday!
Mahal ka namin at super na-excite na kami sa nalalapit mong graduation at magkakaroon na kami ng isang broadcaster na kapatid. Yun. And yung promise mo na isa-shopping mo kami sa first salary mo. At saka, thank you for pagiging sweet mo kay ate.